guys, I'm Kira, and today you'll learn how to pronounce the word исследование, or research. Let's start with the first half of this word. For the soft L, let's borrow from Welsh. I believe there's this really cool double L sound they have. It's like an L with a really high tongue position, but they breathe through it with no vocal cord vibration, as if it were an H. This is a great way to get to the soft L in our word. Another way to think of it is that it's an L with a slight Y sound built in. L, L. Let's do the second and third syllables with the O sounding like a schwa and with good Russian default mouth position. Jaw slightly forward, tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, lips rounded and protruded. Следо, следо, следо. Now we'll add on the first syllable, taking care to double the length of the S. Исследо, исследо. The last three syllables are easy if you have good default mouth position, with the A and the last ye sounding like schwas and all three syllables de-emphasized. Here we go. Wo dank liebs. Вание, вание, вание. Now the whole thing. Wo dank liebs. Исследование. Исследование, 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 исследование. That's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, share my videos, suggest a word, join me on Patreon, and check out my video course at unlockingrussianpronunciation.org, where I explain why some letters sound different in certain situations and how you can learn to predict and pronounce all of the subtleties. And if you teach Russian and you like my videos, please consider tagging me on Instagram so your students can see them too. Счастливо!